Have you ever dreamed of growing fresh vegetables, colorful flowers, or creating a beautiful outdoor retreat? The secret to a successful garden isn't luck, it's having a solid garden plan. In today's video, we'll walk through the essential steps to create a garden plan that helps your plants thrive, saves time, and maximizes your available space. Let's get started. Before planting anything, take time to assess your garden area. Start by measuring the size and shape of your garden. Whether it's a small backyard, a raised bed, or a large landscape, knowing your available space helps determine what you can grow. Next, observe sunlight patterns throughout the day. Most vegetables and flowering plants need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Finally, evaluate your soil by testing pH and nutrient levels before planting. Ask yourself what you want your garden to accomplish. Do you want fresh vegetables for your family? Do you want beautiful flowers for landscaping? Do you want a pollinator-friendly habitat or a peaceful outdoor space to relax? Your goals will influence every decision from plant selection to garden design. Choosing the right plants is one of the most important steps. Choose plants suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Consider mixing annuals for seasonal color and perennials for long-term beauty. Add vegetables and herbs for fresh harvests, and include native plants that support local wildlife. Native plants often require less maintenance, less water, and provide food and shelter for pollinators and birds. Now it's time to design your layout using options like raised beds, containers, or vertical systems. Arrange taller plants where they won't shade smaller ones, and include pathways for easy access. You can also use companion planting to improve growth and reduce pest problems naturally. A thoughtful layout increases productivity and creates a visually appealing garden. Healthy gardens start with healthy soil, enriched with compost and organic matter. Apply mulch to conserve water, reduce weeds, and regulate soil temperature. For watering, consider drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to roots while minimizing waste. Deep watering once or twice per week is usually more effective than shallow daily watering. Regular maintenance keeps your garden thriving through weeding, pruning, and monitoring pests. Fertilize when needed, compost kitchen scraps, collect rainwater, and encourage biodiversity. Sustainable gardening benefits both your plants and the environment. Creating a garden plan may seem challenging at first, but careful preparation and consistent care make it achievable. Start small, learn as you grow, and enjoy the rewarding journey of gardening. For more gardening guides, home improvement tips, health articles, and educational content, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!